Children, here are some words, difficult words, and I will tell you their meaning. New words are milkman, mood, middle, refused, policeman, grocer, wrestler, ice cream, bread. Now I will tell you the meaning of some difficult words. Children, what is the meaning of begged? Begged means to request the help of someone, be pleaded with someone for help and favor. Now children, pleaded. What is the meaning of pleaded? Pleading, and again the same meaning we have when we do request to anyone to be work to be done. Then children, tugged. What is the meaning of tugged and paid? To pull or drag with great effort. To pulling or dragging anything with great effort. Now gleaming means shining, bright, and then twirling. Twirling means moving anything around like statues, etc. Then yes, twisting anything. Then children, what is the meaning of yes, gleaming means shining. Then prayed means requested. Then children, grocer. Grocer means a person who retails groceries, foodstuffs and household items. Wrestlers means a person who wrestles. Now children, what is the meaning of grin? Grin is I smile in which I smile in which the lips are parted to reveal the teeth. Then grown-ups. What is the meaning of grown-ups? Adults. Now mess. A mess is a disagreeable mixture or a confusion of things and situation, wrestling of blundering, etc. Resulting a blundering. Now children, difficult. Difficult means hard, not easy. Then problem, a difficulty that has to be resolved or deal with. Then children, sheaf. What is the meaning of sheaf? Sheaf means a bundle of stalk, a green grass, etc. Then children, what is the meaning of whooped? Whooped means flawlessness. Flawlessness. Yes. Then cleverness. Clever means voice. Then clattered, making rattling sounds. Okay, children, what is the meaning of pail? Means vessels or bucket. Then children, chew means to crush with teeth. Mood, a mental or emotional state. Composure. Then children, refuse. Refuse means disagreed. Now I will also again repeat the difficult words: milkman, mood, middle, refused, policeman, grocer, wrestler, ice cream, prayed. Now children, some question answers. That is, reading is fun. Why did the cow refuse to get up? Because she was not in good mood, she was in bad mood. Name those who tried to make the cow move. These people are milkman, policeman, grocer, wrestler, ice cream man and little boy. Then who finally made the cow get up and how? A little boy finally made the cow to get up. He held out a sheaf of tasty green grass. The cow began to chew that and he slowly led her to sight. Now children, as I walked to my school, I saw take turns to continue the story of the cow on the road. Each child can say one line till the story is complete. Children, you can make your own story with the help of other person. Now we can make people to do more things with kindness than with cruelty or force. बच्चों, हम लोग किसी को भी दयालुता से, विनम्रता से और अच्छे ढंग से बोल कर किसी से हम कार्य करा सकते हैं, लेकिन हम निर्दयता से और फोर्स से किसी से काम नहीं करा सकते. डू यू एग्री? क्या तुम इस बात से एग्री करते हो? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? टेल द क्लास अबाउट टाइम व्हेन यू वर काइंड टू एन एनिमल. यस, आई कैन एग्री. I agree with this thing that we can make people do more things with kindness, not with cruelty. Now children, you can tell your story to the class. Do you do an action always in the same way? How do you talk to visitors? We talk to the visitors with politely. How do you talk to your friends in the playground? We talk to them in friendly manner. How do you talk to your teacher in the class? We talk to our teacher in the classroom respectfully. Now children, Some more exercises. Word building. Circle the words. Just describe the boy. There are so many words. Those are words which are there are so many words. I will read the words, but I will tell you the correct word which describes the boy. Cruel, clever, big, kind, happy, gentle, angry, little. The words which describes the boy is clever, kind, happy, gentle. Clever, kind, happy, gentle, and little. Now fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks using the words given at the end of the sentence. Insects can crawl on the wall. Children, two options are given there, can or cannot. You have to choose the one option and fill up the blanks. Insects can crawl on the wall. Second is the crosser was unable to move the cow. The words are able and unable. It was easy for the boy to make the cow get up. Children, two words are easy and difficult. It was easy for the boy to make the cow get up. Then the children cannot walk on their heads. Cannot. The children cannot walk on their heads. Sometimes love and kindness may succeed where force will fail. Children, here the words are succeed and fail. I filled the words like this. Sometimes love and kindness may succeed and force will fail. Now we should be kind to animals. The two options are kind and cruel. The correct option is we should be kind to animals. Now children, let's write. From the story, The Milkman's Cow, find the simple past tense of the actions, words given below and write them in the blanks. One has been done for you. The simple present tense and children simple past tense. I will tell you one by one. Pull, pulled, lead, led, come, came, say, said, begin, began, know, knew, and learn, learned, grow, grew, pray, prayed, tug, tugged. Read and enjoy a limerick. Here is a limerick to make you laugh. There was an old man who said, "How shall I flee from that horrible cow? I will sit on the stile and continue to smile, which may soften the heart of the cow." Children, there was an old man, एक बूढ़ा आदमी था. उसने कहा, "How shall I flee from that horrible cow?" मैं उस गुस्साई हुई गाय से कैसे दूर हट सकता हूँ. तो मैं क्या करूँगा, आई विल सिट ऑन द स्टाइल, मैं एक लकड़ी के उस पर बैठ जाऊँगा एंड कंटिन्यू टू स्माइल, और मुस्कुराता रहूँगा. विच में सॉफ्टन द हार्ट ऑफ द काउ, जो कि गाय को दिल को विनम्र कर देगी और मुझे वो नुकसान नहीं पहुँचाएगी. क्या बच्चों ये ठीक है? डू यू थिंक इफ द मैन स्माइल्स एट द एंग्री काउ शी विल बी काइंड टू हिम? अगर बच्चों तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है कि कोई गुस्सैल गाय से के पास खड़ा होकर मुस्कुराता रहेगा तो गाय उसको छोड़ देगी? नो, नॉट एट ऑल. नहीं, ऐसा कभी नहीं हो सकता. दिस इज नॉट प्रैक्टिकल चिल्ड्रन. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, fun time. Complete what is missing in these drawings. What work do these men or women do? Children, look at this exercises, these pictures, this and this one. Look both this. Now children, a milkman milks the cow and distributes its milk to others. Now, a grocer sells vegetables and other eatables. A policeman manages law and order. He looks after the society. Then an ice cream man sells the ice creams and cold drinks. Then a wrestler fights with the opponent's wrestler. He builds his body also. Then children, there are 6 pictures. Look at these pictures. Yes, I will tell you one by one. This is picture reading or picture description. Picture number one deals a man is sitting on the donkey. The donkey is saying he is very heavy. And another picture, a boy sitting on the donkey. The donkey is saying he is young. Then children, an old man and a boy, both are sitting on the horse. The horse says, I am very sad. Then children, they both started walking and behind them the horse is also walking. So he said, I am very happy now. Then children, in picture number 5, the old person and the child are carrying the horse. Now the horse says they are very strong. Then picture number 6, I made this picture for you children. Look at this picture number 6. Yes, in this picture they left the horse, they left the donkey by its own. So the donkey says, I am very lucky today. Thank you children.